Hi, this is Swati, and in this chapter, we'll see some important board questions of the chapter areas related to circles. So, in my previous video, I've already shown all the formulas that are associated with this chapter. And in this video, we'll see some previous year questions. So, let's see the first one. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. So the angle is given, the radius is given. Find the area of sector formed by an arc. Also find the length of an arc. So basically we need to find area of sector and the length of the arc. So firstly, area of sector. Area of sector is what? Theta by 360 into, since it is area, pi r square. So angle theta is 60 by 360 into pi, 22 by 7, and radius is 21 into 21. 0, 0 cut, 6, 1, 6, 6, 36, 7, 1, 7, 3s are 21, 2 ones, 3 ones, 3 twos are 6, 2 ones, 2 11s are. So 11 into 21 will give us 231 centimeter square, since it is area. Now the next part is length. So length of an arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, since it is length. So theta is again 60 by 360 into 2 into pi into radius is 21. 60 ones are 66 are, 7 ones are 7 threes are, 3 ones 3 twos are, 2 2 cut. So we get 22 centimeter. It was a direct formula based question. Now the next one is the wheel of a motorcycle is of radius 35 centimeter. How many revolutions are required to travel a distance of 11 meters? Now this is meters, this is centimeter. First thing is your units should be of the same. So 11 meters I can convert to centimeter is 11 into 100, 1100 centimeter. Also, whenever you have how many, whenever they have asked you for number, you always divide. So number of revolution is equal to distance, distance, that is total distance by one revolution. So total distance is given to us, travel a distance of 11 meters. So 1100 centimeter by one revolution. One revolution is one complete thing. So basically circumference of this motorcycle. Circumference is 2 into pi into radius is 35, 2 pi r. 7 1, 7 5s, 35. Then 5 1s, 5 2s, 10. 5 twos, 220, 22 ones, 22, tens is 220, 2 ones are 2 fives are. So basically 5 revolutions. All right. Now coming to the next one, find the perimeter of the shaded region. Here we can see the shaded region. We need to find the perimeter. If ABCD is a square of side 21, and APB and CPD are semicircles. These are semicircles. So we need to take pi as 22 by 7. So firstly, what is perimeter? How do I find the perimeter? Perimeter is basically these arc. These are nothing but the length of the arc and AD and BC. AD and BC, we already know it is 21. So to find perimeter, we also need to know the length of the arc. So first, let us find the length of the arc. Length of the arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now, what is theta? Here the theta is 180 because they are semicircles. So 180 by 360 into 2 into pi into r. What is r? 21. 0, 0 cut. 18 ones are 18 twos are. 2, 2 cut. 7, 1, 7 threes, 21. So here we get, I think I missed it. I missed something. 7, 1, 7 threes, 21. So we get this as 18 ones and okay, we get this as 66 centimeter length of the arc. Now, what will be the perimeter? Perimeter is the two sides, which is AD plus BC plus length of these arc, which is 66. So if we add all of them, we get 108 centimeter. So this is how we find the perimeter. Many a times, many students try to find the length of the arc, but at the end they forget to add these sides. The sides also comes in perimeter. Perimeter is basically the boundary. Okay. Now coming to the next one, the radius of a circle with center O is 7 centimeter. Here we can see the radius is 7. Two radii OA and OB are drawn at right angle. So basically the angles between the two radii is 90 degree. Find areas of major and minor segment. So here the shaded part is basically a minor segment. It's a minor segment. So how do we find the minor segment? So area of minor segment is equal to this complete sector area. So this is the sector. So area of sector minus area of triangle. So from this sector, if I subtract this triangle, I will get my shaded part. So now what is area of sector formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. It's a right angle triangle, half base into height. So once we know this, we just need to substitute the values. Theta is 90 by 360 into pi into r square minus half into base and height both are 7 and 7. Okay. 91s, 94s are 7, 7 cut. 2, 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. So we get 11 into 7, 77 by 2 minus 49 by 2, which is 14 centimeter square. So this is area of minor segment, 14 centimeter square. Now coming to major segment, area of major segment. So how do I find the major segment? Major segment is the region apart from minor segment. So from the complete circle, if I just remove this minor segment, I will get the major segment area. So major segment is basically area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of circle is pi r square minus minor segment, we just got it as 14. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 minus 14. 22 into 7 is 154 minus 14 will give us 150 centimeter. Sorry, 140 centimeter square. I'm sorry, 140. So this is how we find the major segment. So shall I recap? So minor segment is the sector minus the triangle, whereas the major segment is from the whole circle. If I just remove the minor part, I get the major part. I hope it's clear. Now coming to the last question, the area enclosed by circumference of two concentric circles. Concentric circles are the two circles with the same center O. So what is 346.5? That is the area enclosed. So if the circumference of inner circle is 88, find the radius of outer circle. So basically we need to find capital R. So circumference of inner circle is 88. So let us use this information. Circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is 88. 2 into pi into r is equal to 88. 22 ones are 22 fours are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So r is equal to 7 into 2, 14 centimeters. So this is small r, inner radius. But we need to find outer. We also have one more information that area is 346. Area of ring is 346.5. So generally, what is area of circle? It is pi r square. But when you have concentric circle, the ring, the area is pi into capital R square minus small r square. So here we just need to substitute the values. 22 by 7 into capital R square minus 22 by 7 into small r square. Small r square is what? 14 into 14. 7 1, 7 2 is 14. So 22 by 7 capital R square is equal to 346.5. Now 22 into 4 is 44. Into 14 is 616. So minus 616, when I transpose, it becomes plus. So when we add this, I get 962.5. So basically, R square is 962.5 into 7 divided by 22, which is 306.25. So capital R is root over 306.25, which will be equal to 17.5 centimeter. So this is the capital R, the outer radius. So here, whatever information we have, we need to use all of them. So I used circumference. From it, I got the inner radius. And then I used the area information, from which there was just one unknown, the capital R. And so you can easily find it out. I hope this is clear. Thank you.